Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today we're doing a plan with me in my Erin Condren Daily Petite Planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of October 26th through Sunday, November the 1st. So this is a spread that includes two colors. I have the orange here and then it introduces blue starting in November. And I'll be using the Wrong stickers from the Happy Planner. I have the mini book as well as the regular book. And I'll be pulling stickers from both to fill in my spread for the week. I'm going to do a quick flip through of last week. I did not post my plan with me because I just really wasn't that satisfied with the way it turned out at the end. But I'll just show you what it looks like. It is a reflection of my planning style to some extent. I was trying something new with using washi in my planner. I realized it's just really not for me. So I'm going back to my regular planning style with this Plan With Me session. But I'll show you last week. So this is Monday, Tuesday of last week. As you can see, I tried to use the Erin Condren fall stickers. And like I said, it just didn't turn out exactly the way that I wanted it to. I did it. This is Wednesday, Thursday. I did more of pink and orange here because I ran out of the fall stickers and had to come up with a new plan. And then this is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you know my planning style, this is a lot more minimal than what I'm used to for doing my planner spreads. But it was functional enough for me to get some things done. So that was the last week. I'm going to start with putting on my script stickers. And that is all of my script stickers for the week. Now I'm going to start decorating Monday, Tuesday. So that is Monday, Tuesday, and I do like the way it turned out. I'm going to put in my boxes, work from home stickers, scales, and steps, and I'll be done. That is Monday, Tuesday, and this week's spread. I do like it. I'm going to fill in highlights from Tuesday here, my plan for the week, and then I have all my sections figured out. So I do like this one. Let's move on to Wednesday, Thursday. For Wednesday, Thursday, I think I also want to do less of a Halloween theme and more of like a fall theme, kind of leading up to that. Now I'm going to put in my boxes, work from home stickers, scales, and steps. That is Wednesday, Thursday, and I also like the way that that one turned out. Very cute and chic. Before I wrap this up, I'm actually going to add in another one of these little coffee mugs for the middle sections. Just feel like something's kind of missing there, so we'll put one there and put one there. That is Wednesday, Thursday, and we're going to move on to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I want to do a very Halloween-esque theme for Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday kind of move into something different. So I think that is it in terms of decorations. I don't want to go too overboard. I think that is it. The only other thing that I want to note is going to the bank. It's something I don't want to forget to do, and I probably will get that done on Saturday. No, I think I'm gonna write it down here. So that is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I need to just put in my scales and steps and I'll be done. That is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for this week. I have filled in all of the important events and things that I need to cover, and I am pretty thrilled with this layout. So let me flip back to Monday, Tuesday. This is Monday, Tuesday, and I like the fall theme with the hats and all of that. Very cute and chic. And then we have Wednesday, Thursday, more of like a coffee latte, pumpkin spice theme here. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I did do more of a Halloween theme for Friday, Saturday, and tried to bring back my fall chic theme for Sunday. I hope you liked this planning session and it was inspirational. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll always be informed when we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!